YouTube, Soul Review Kicks here. I'm back with another video. Just got a package. I believe I know what this one is. Let's get into it. All right, as always, let's open the box. Okay. All right, as you see it, brown box. This is different. And we have today is Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG Cell Black Golden Harvest. Oh yeah, Rookie of the Years. Let's take a look at these bad boys real quick. As always, lid 305 by 220 by 115. Nothing else. All right. First glance, wow. At first glance, it's crazy. What in the world? Don't look at the box. Little lot number in there. I believe it's zoom in if you want. Nothing else. Tray is 305 by 220 by 115. Little matte brown, or how they call it, Golden Harvest. Bottom of the box. All right, let's get into this little quick review. Rookie of the Years. You see it, nice stitching. Quick, just give you some angles here. Nice little shots real quick. Before we get to the nitty and gritty. Before we get to the deep dive inside the shoe. All right. Black bottom. Nice. All right, let's get deep into the shoe now. I'm going to take out the shoe tree, which is paper, as always. They did a horrible job with the laces, I'll tell you that. They just threw them in there, wow. That's crazy work. Famous Dream Cell. Famous Dream Cell. Men's size 8 is at the bottom of the Nike Air. As you see it, this pair is from Nike. Let's take a look at the inside. Got that graphite footbed. As you see, the stitching is white. Nice and perfect. There you see how it goes. There it is, nothing else. Got the taped up extras, of course. Let's look at the inside. Tongue. See the stitching. All right. Let's take a look at the tag. VJ Factory 061824 082924. Y'all see it? All right, like I said, just a quick little review of the Rookie of the Years. And that's going to do it. Close out this video. As always, I would, there's no reason to open up the second one. I mean, that's going to do it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe.